So I removed my fishtail exhaust system, these slip-ons, because they were just too loud at speed. When I get around 65, 70 miles an hour, it makes too much noise. That droning sound was just too hard on my ears. So I replaced them with these slip-ons from American Custom. And I'm going to swap out the baffles on it to make this exhaust a little bit quieter, because this is quieter than the fishtails, but it's still a little bit too loud for me. Ain't much of a baffle in it. Same with this. They look like they were cut. The original baffles seemed like someone cut them out. I got this exhaust used, so that's why this is still loud in comparison to the stock. And these are the baffles that I'm gonna put in. Just slide the baffle over the cap and screw it back in. Now for the other side. So that's it. Now I'll just start it up to see if there's a difference.